Hey everyone, we're only 2 months into the new year and it already feels like we've crossed a threshold. We're entering an era where cinematic content, full films, and professional-grade video can be generated entirely by AI. No cameras, no crews, no months of post-production. Higgsfield AI has been moving at lightning speed, rolling out new models with each release bringing noticeable improvements. After the successful launch of their previous tools, all eyes have shifted to Seedance 2.0, and the AI creator community is buzzing. Here's what makes this moment interesting. Seedance 2.0 isn't even publicly available yet, but early demos, beta tests, and behind-the-scenes previews are already circulating, and people are paying attention. In this video, I'm breaking down everything we know so far, what signals we're seeing from version 2.0, and why this could be a major leap forward for AI video generation. Let me break down what Seedance 2.0 is expected to bring to the table. First, multi-modal input mixing. Creators will reportedly be able to upload images, video clips, audio files, and text prompts all in a single generation. Early reports suggest the model can handle up to 12 mixed inputs at once, a game changer for complex storytelling workflows. Next up, native audio-visual generation. This means sound and visuals are created together from the start, not stitched afterward. Footsteps sync with walking pace, ambient noise adjusts to the scene, and everything feels organically connected. There's also buzz around in-model editing. Instead of regenerating entire clips from scratch, you may be able to swap out characters, adjust backgrounds, extend scenes, or merge shots using simple text commands. If this works as advertised, it could massively cut down iteration time. In terms of output quality, all signs point to 1080p resolution, faster render times compared to version 1.0, and more polished textures, lighting, and color grading that look genuinely professional. Another standout feature is advanced motion synthesis. Early previews suggest Seedance 2.0 can generate 5 to 12-second clips with smoother movement, realistic gestures, and complex choreography that actually looks physically believable. On top of that, there's a major focus on multi-shot storytelling. Scenes are expected to flow naturally, transitions adapt intelligently between shots, and the narrative progresses logically instead of feeling like disconnected fragments. But perhaps the biggest breakthrough people are talking about is character consistency. Facial features, outfits, and even small details like accessories are reportedly locked across multiple shots. You build a character once and can use it confidently throughout an entire sequence. To understand why Seedance 2.0 matters, it helps to look at what version 1.0 could already do. Seedance 1.0 let creators generate short cinematic clips with decent motion and visual quality, but it had limitations. Character consistency could break, motion sometimes felt stiff, and editing required multiple regeneration attempts. Now imagine those limitations being reduced or removed entirely. Let's look at a few Seedance 2.0 generated clips.
I like speed.
Coffee?
Thanks.
床前明月光，疑是地上霜。我的 flow 太强，震惊大唐。老李你别狂，看我现实主义说唱炸翻全场。
This isn't just hype from random creators. Major platforms and well-known figures are already reacting publicly. Let's start with CapCut. In an official post, the CapCut team showcased a beta video generated by Seedance 2.0. The output quality feels cinematic, smooth, and professionally edited. Next, Jinghu Dong shared beta testing results. The video in his post highlights motion continuity and scene realism. The comments are especially telling. Creators are pointing out how natural the movement feels compared to other AI video models on the market. Then there's Angry Tom, who's already sharing previews and personal analysis. His focus is on facial stability and visual consistency, and how these outputs compare to previous generation tools. This
Reaction isn't blind hype, it's analytical, and that's what makes it credible.
Other creators on Twitter also showed amazing results from their internal tests of Seedance 2.0, and the public reception is simply amazing. When multiple independent voices show similar enthusiasm, that's a strong signal. A lot of other creators are sharing beta footage as well. Personally, I'm very bullish on this release. This year, creators no longer need heavy investments, expensive cameras, or large teams to create something polished. With tools like Seedance 2.0, you can experiment, tell stories, and even produce content that trends, all powered by AI. Instead of spending years learning complex editing software, you choose a prompt, feed the model, and focus on creativity. This shift is why so many creators are paying close attention to this launch. If you want to create high-quality AI video, you'll need a premium plan. Higgsfield offers 3 main tiers, designed for creators who want speed,
Quality, and better results.
The basic plan is fine for testing, but if you're serious about creating cinematic videos or full projects, you need more power. Personally, I'd recommend the Ultimate plan. It gives you enough credits per month and access to advanced models without jumping straight to the highest tier. Once you pick one of these premium plans, you're ready to create films, ads, reels, or whatever creative idea you have in mind. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, drop a like. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.